5 warning signs of breast cancer. Most female ignore number 5 until it's too late. Breast cancer can be silent, but knowing the warning signs can save lives. Here are 5 crucial signs you need to watch out for. 1. Lump or mass. One of the most common signs is a new lump or mass in the breast. If you feel something unusual, get it checked out. 2. Skin dimpling. Skin that appears dimpled or puckered like the skin of an orange can be a sign of underlying breast cancer. 3. Nipple discharge. Unexpected discharge from the nipple, especially if it's bloody or clear, should be evaluated by a doctor. 4. Swelling in the armpit. Swelling or lumps in the armpit area can be related to breast cancer as the lymph nodes may be affected. And finally, number 5. Changes in size or shape. Any sudden changes in the size or shape of your breast could be a warning sign of breast cancer. If you notice any of these signs, don't wait. Schedule an appointment with your